Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. Thank you so much for the support. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Hello, my name is Lizette. Welcome to my channel. I will be dedicating this channel to my 2020 STI. Happy, my first carbon piece. Yeah. The manual. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Got it. So I got both of them off. Now it's time to install the new ones. They're the taillights. I am in love with them. I am in love with the front brake light. It just looks so good. Yeah, but I'm super excited because I'm finally starting to mod my car. Obviously I'm still pretty stock and everything, but yeah, little by little I'm still saving up money, and we'll get there little by little. I have big plans for this car. Hopefully if everything goes well. Everything takes time, so I'm just being patient with it. Absolutely love it. Hold up, let me give you a view from up here. It doesn't do justice on the camera, but honestly I love it. Look at the back, it looks so aggressive. Let me go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear it. Ooh, and now for some revs. Just kidding. It's my sister's Jeep. Shout out to her. Your car sounds so stock. Thank you. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on now for real this time. That looks so good. Okay, so dang, we got like barely two, like a finger and a half. It's like almost 2 fingers. Oh, holy cow, it looks so much better. The only thing is I need spacers. Dang, who am I? I'm gonna have to start angling up driveways and stuff. Alright, so time for the big one. Let's go ahead and line this up. So these are the OEM 2020 STI headlights. They're gorgeous, but the other ones are better. They are gorgeous. I love them. These are the diamond black and they're 18 by 9.5 plus 40. I'm at Sugar Co. picking up my car. I'm about to roll up the door. I'm excited. Oh my god, it's so nice. Dude, it looks like paint. Oh my god. Dude, it looks so good.
Yeah, looks crazy.
It looks sick. Ready? You guys ready to see?
Yeah, yeah,
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Hi guys. Oh, wait, what? That's my car.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
I just absolutely love how it looks. It's so shiny. Look at that. And this is recording on an iPhone. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is the last of the green. It kind of looks white right now because it's like so sunny, but I promise it's green. I'm thinking of leaving my hood exposed. We kind of talked about it right now, but I can't wait for you guys to see the color that I picked. But this is the last few moments that I'm gonna see it green. Oh, you're lying. Oh my god, I freaking love it. Here are the headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. They're beautiful. Speed tail lights, as you can see, and then Lonzo already got done with all of the harness and the wiring part. So this is the control box that controls everything. Wait, what? Why are my eyes getting watery right now? Oh my god! This is the 4 and this is the new one. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this clip, it means you made it to the end. So I appreciate it. Thank you. It's my first video, so obviously, I don't know, I'm kind of new at this, but I hope I wasn't too boring, or I don't know. But I hope you guys continue my journey with my STI. I do plan on doing more mods, but little by little, because it is a little pricey. But yeah, I'll record everything that I do to it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Leave comments if anything. Also follow me on Instagram at sti.liz. I'll link it underneath too in the description and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video.